大家好，欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson 53.
第53课
One of the big questions we get asked is how to use
把
Recently, we talked our hangouteers through a couple of uses of the word
把
and wanted to share it with you all as well.
So, 把字句 is used to focus on the result or influence of an action. Let's look at the first sentence structure, then you'll see what I mean. Using 把
Been there, done that. That's because we had a couple of conversations about this with the hangouteers, so I used Mr. That's a Mr. Bean joke. Never mind.
A very basic sentence structure in English would be subject plus verb and then object. But when you use 把 in the sentence, you need to put 把 after the subject and then switch verb and object. That becomes the first 把字句. Oh, the verb phrase here contains verb plus result phrase. Result phrases like 完了
To finish.
坏了
Broken.
错了
Incorrect. Okay, so one of the most common questions about ba is why. Why not just use the normal subject-verb-object pattern?
In some cases, using that structure is not grammatically correct.
What do you mean?
Well, okay, tell me, I have finished my coffee.
我完成了我的咖啡.
Okay, now, that's not correct.
What?
You have to use 把.
Oh, so what's the correct sentence?
Okay, first, we need to use the verb 喝 drink. Then the result of the action is finished drinking. So the verb phrase here is 喝完了. Now you can apply the verb phrase to the sentence structure and add other elements. So the correct sentence is 我把咖啡喝完了.
Could you give us some more examples, please?
Okay, so can you try and use 把字句 to say Dad broke the chair when he sat down?
Okay, 我会试试看. So the subject here is 爸爸, and then there is 把.
Yes.
The object would be 椅子,
Yeah.
which is a chair, right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure with the verb phrase, but I guess because the action is to sit, it should be 坐.
Yeah.
And then the result of the action is broken. So I should add 坐 with 坏了, which means broken, right?
Yeah, all correct. So please say the whole sentence again.
Okay. 爸爸把椅子坐坏了.
没错, you got it. Well done.
Oh, thanks you.
我在说什么?
What am I saying?
我把苹果吃完了. I finished eating my apple.
So you should put the result of your action in the sentence as well?
Yes, so 吃 is the action and 完了 is the result. So the verb phrase is 吃完了.
Got it.
这里该放什么? What should we put in the gap? 我
Beep.
苹果吃完了.
把?
Yeah, 当然, you got it.
Yay.
这里该放什么?
Okay, what should we put here? The subject?
把苹果吃完了. Yeah, so in this case is 我 the subject.
Okay, so 我把苹果吃完了.
没错.
Oh.
这里该放什么? 我把
Beep.
吃完了. What else could you put in the gap?
Oh, okay. So I know that 苹果 would go there. But what else could you put in that gap? So any noun that you could eat, really. So
没
maybe
错.
我把牛排吃完了.
Yeah, you finish eating steak.
Or maybe 我把玉米吃完了。
Yeah, you finish eating corns.
我把巧克力吃完了。
可以 You have finished eating chocolate. You got it.
For anyone else listening, you can try and put another food in there. So 我把 beep 吃完了。
加油试试看。这里该放什么 Okay, last one. What should we put in there? 我把苹果
beep
了
I forgot.
That's okay. We put the verb phrase in that gap. So in this instant, it's 吃完
Okay, so it's 我把苹果吃完了 to eat and finish?
Yep.
Okay, got it. So what else could you put in there?
You could use cooked. 我把苹果煮完了
Okay.
or 烤
Baked.
我把苹果烤完了
Okay, cool. That's what we have been talking about. That's another Mr. Bean joke.
It's not the last one, is it?
Nope. Moving on.
Example 2. Here are 8 verbs you can use in the upcoming example sentence. So, common verbs that take 2 objects include 送
To gift.
拿
To take.
递
To pass.
卖
To sell.
借
To lend or borrow.
还
To return.
介绍
To introduce.
And the last one, 放
To put. But there's something important they need to remember, right?
Yeah, with 送拿递卖借还介绍 You should use the postfix or suffix 给 to give. So they will become 送给拿给递给卖给借给还给 and 介绍给
And what about 放?
放 you will use 在 for in, on, at.
Okay, cool. So it's 放在 to put something in, on, or at somewhere.
Correct.
Got it.
放在 The second sentence structure contains 2 objects. Basically, it's the first sentence structure here and plus object 2.
You mean maybe 2 objects or 2 people?
Yeah?
So perhaps one person did something that interacted with something else.
Yeah.
Like if an alien landed on Earth but killed a cow.
I guess so.
Got it.
As you can see, we have the subject followed by 把, then the first object, then the verb phrase, and finally the second object.
The second object can be a person, right?
Right.
Like if that alien ate another person?
我们可以继续吗？
可以.
Okay, here are 2 examples. I gave the boss a coffee. In this sentence, it contains 2 objects, the boss and coffee. Okay, so you did very well with the first example. Now you can try this one. Just put the 2 objects in the right place and give it a verb phrase, including one of the 8 verbs we just introduced.
That sounds so easy. Right. 我会试试看. 我 is the subject,
Yeah.
and then is 把.
对.
So 我把. Hold on. Just to make it clear, in Chinese, you will put coffee first, right?
对.
Because in English, we might say give the boss a coffee, but in Chinese, we have to give a coffee to the boss.
对.
Do I get an A?
Yes, of course. But can you just finish the sentence? So, what is the verb from the previous slide you need to use here?
It should be 拿 or 滴.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'll stick with 拿 here.
How?
Okay, so 我把咖啡拿老板.
Are you finished with your sentence? I think you missed a word.
Huh? Wait.
我把咖啡拿什么？老板。
Oh, 拿给.
Yes, you remembered.
我把咖啡拿给老板.
Great. Let's try again. How do you say the younger sister puts toys on the table?
Let me think. Younger sister. Okay. 妹妹把玩具放桌子上. Oh no! I missed a word here again, didn't I? 放在桌子上.
Yeah, excellent. I think you're all ready to go.
Yay!
我在说什么? What am I saying? 我把书放在桌子上.
This one's for you guys.
Maybe you got it? I put my book on the table.
Yep.
这里该放什么? So what do we put there?
Beans?
Not even close. 我
Beep.
书放在桌子上.
I would for sure put bar there.
对了
Do I get a sticker or something?
No. 这里该放什么? 我把书放在
Beep.
上. Okay, what's going on there?
Table.
Yeah, but what else could you put there?
车子?
I guess you could put your books on a car, yeah?
So anything you could put something on top of, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
这里该放什么? 我把书
Beep.
在桌子上.
Okay, guys, you know the drill for this one. You would put something there. Put something in there. What would you put in that gap? What could you
Okay, 我想他们知道你的意思.
put?
The answer is 放.
That's what I said.
这里该放什么? 我把书放
Beep.
桌子上. Do you remember the word for in, on, or at? Of course you do. 在. You got it. Good job. 这里该放什么? 我把书放在桌子.
Beep. Okay, last one. What should we put in there?
It doesn't have to be on.
So it doesn't have to be on. Okay. 旁边?
我把书放在桌子旁边。
后面?
我把书放在桌子后面。
前面?
我把书放在桌子前面。Yep.
Have there been any more examples?
How many more there?
There's one more, I think.
If I see another one, I'm going to hit you.
You haven't got the beans. Ow. Now it's your turn to try some sentences. This is very much like practice time of the old videos.
我们一起试试看咯。Good luck. Fill in the gaps. 我把
Beep.
写完了。
So the verb in this one is to write and the result is to finish.
好，我把功课 homework 写完了。我把功课写完了。
I finished doing my homework.
帮我把水
Beep. Literal translation, help me water. So you could pass it or take it.
可以。
帮我把水拿给爸爸。
Help me give Dad water.
Water?
耶老师把名字
Beep.
了。
老师把名字念错了。
The teacher said the name wrong. 念错了。他把房子
Beep.
给谁了？
So he sold the house, right? 他把房子卖给谁了？
Who did he sell the house to?
Mr. Bean? Okay.
我把
Beep.
送给他了。
我把礼物送给他了。
礼物 present. I sent him the present. 你把女朋友
Beep.
给妈妈了吗？
So it's
女朋友
we-
girlfriend.
Yeah, girlfriend, and it's introduced, right? So 你把女朋友介绍给妈妈了吗？
很棒。Have you introduced your girlfriend to your mom?
Ran out of bean jokes. I said that's the last one.
There are more uses of character 把. We'll make another part to the presentation to cover the other uses.
Yeah, we didn't want to make this one too long, so have a look out for the next one, and we'll see you there.
下次见，拜拜。
Bye.